Have you ever been in that holiday rush, wanting to make something sweet and festive, but feeling like you just don't have the time? You know the kind of Christmas where you want dessert on the table that wows everyone, but every recipe seems too long, too fussy, or just complicated. Well, today I've got you covered. I'm about to show you 10 irresistible Christmas fruit desserts that are not only festive and colorful, but also quick to make. Imagine bright red cranberries, juicy oranges, and sparkling sugared fruits turning into desserts that taste like magic without spending hours in the kitchen. And the best part, these desserts will have everyone asking, "Did you make this yourself?" So, grab your mixing bowls, your holiday spirit, and let's dive into something sweet, easy, and unforgettable. The first dessert, cranberry orange parfaits. Start with a layer of creamy vanilla yogurt at the bottom of your glass. Then, sprinkle a layer of fresh cranberries and orange segments. Add a drizzle of honey and top with crushed gingerbread cookies for a festive crunch. Repeat layers until your glass is full. Finish with a sprig of mint for that Christmas pop. Tip: you can prepare these ahead of time and keep them chilled, perfect for busy holiday mornings. The second dessert, mini apple pies in a jar. Dice apples and toss them with cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of brown sugar. Spoon the mixture into small mason jars, top with a pre-made pie crust circle, and bake until golden. Serve warm with a little whipped cream or vanilla ice cream. Visual tip: the layers of apples peeking through the jar make it look like a tiny Christmas miracle. The third dessert, pomegranate chocolate bark. Melt dark chocolate until smooth. Pour onto a parchment-lined tray and sprinkle generously with pomegranate seeds and crushed pistachios. Let it cool completely, then break into pieces. Fun fact, the red and green combination is perfect for Christmas, and the tart pomegranate gives a surprise burst of flavor with every bite. The fourth dessert, festive fruit tartlets. Use pre-made tart shells and fill them with cream cheese mixed with a bit of powdered sugar and vanilla. Top with slices of kiwi, strawberries, and blueberries arranged like little holiday wreaths. A light dusting of powdered sugar gives that snowy effect. Extra tip: these tartlets are stunning on a platter and perfect for kids to help decorate. The fifth dessert, cinnamon spiced poached pears. Simmer peeled pears in a mixture of red wine, or cranberry juice, cinnamon sticks, star anise, and a splash of orange juice until tender. Serve with a drizzle of the reduced poaching liquid over the pears. It's elegant but surprisingly easy. The sixth dessert, berry trifle cups. Layer cubes of sponge cake or pound cake, whipped cream, and mix berries in small cups. Add a splash of orange liqueur or juice for extra flavor. Top with chocolate shavings or a dusting of cocoa powder. Quick tip: make a few extra. These disappear fast at any holiday gathering. The seventh dessert, chocolate-dipped strawberries with sprinkles. Dip fresh strawberries in melted chocolate and immediately sprinkle with festive-colored sugar or crushed candy canes. Chill until set. Holiday twist: use white chocolate drizzle to create candy cane stripes. It's a crowd pleaser every time. The eighth dessert, spiced fruit compote with shortbread. Cook chopped apples, pears, and cranberries with a bit of orange zest, cinnamon, and honey until soft and jammy. Serve warm over buttery shortbread cookies or alongside vanilla ice cream. Serving idea: a rustic yet elegant dessert for the family table or a Christmas party platter. The ninth dessert, mini fruit skewers. Thread grapes, pineapple chunks, strawberries, and kiwi onto small skewers. Drizzle lightly with chocolate or sprinkle with coconut. You can even shape them like Christmas trees for extra fun. Kid-friendly tip: let kids assemble their own skewers. It's interactive and festive. The 10th dessert, holiday fruit smoothie cups. Blend frozen berries, banana, and orange juice until smooth. Pour into cups and top with sliced kiwi, strawberries, and a few pomegranate seeds. Add a candy cane as a stirrer for that extra Christmas magic. Bonus tip: these are refreshing, bright, and a healthy alternative when you want dessert without the sugar overload. And there you have it, 10 irresistible Christmas fruit desserts that are quick, colorful, and absolutely festive. Which one are you trying first? I'd love to hear in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment so you never miss a delicious holiday hack. Happy holidays, everyone. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers to sweet celebrations.